What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're going on to pack number 3 of Mega Dream, the newest set from Pokemon. Let's see if we can pull something super sick. This artwork is so sick. Murkrow, Dwebble, or Crystal. I think that's Crystal. Don't know. Snorlax Hollow, sick. Spidops Hollow. I don't know what these are, if they're Pokeballs or just reverse. Is that Heliolisk? Latias EX. No hit in this one? What? Was that my hit? I guess so. Okay. We'll take it. Each pack has, I think, 2 or 3 hollows, an EX, and supposed to be a hit card, I believe. I'll have to go back and look through all my stuff. Alright guys, I'll see you guys back tomorrow, and we'll rip another pack.